Alright, so, oh, my hand's okay. Okay, there we go. So, I feel like we should already know what we're playing. We're also gonna put on some YouTube. Cause, like, why not? Little big Larry's already out.
There's three.
Ready for this?
Okay.
Oh god! Oh my god! I'm on top of
The game is. Oh my god! Yeah, hold up.
so scary.
How was I able? Bro, I somehow did not die from the first one. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna step out. That is so scary.
Oh my.
What the fuck? Oh, shit. How did my guy die?
Punch him 3 points black.
I didn't ask for 3.
Look how ugly I am.
Somehow I got caught. Anyways.
You want 5 seconds?
Go, Timmy, go!
I'm not Timmy. I'm not Timmy.
Alright.
Okay, man.
Oh, my game doesn't lag.
Get over it. Oh man, I'm not good, boys.
Wall climbing! Yeah, I'll show you.
Buddy, I can wall run.
Go, 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 go. I can It's really easier to do wall.
They can't get me over here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, it's the red squad.
Wait, I'm red.
Red squad. I am the leader of the red squad.
What the
I've
heck?
been red for the
Down red again.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Neutral.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, I'm in the same lobby. Wait.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh my god, make sure to subscribe, especially guys.
Forehead over here.
Hi. Look, boy, get over
Oh,
here.
I actually could have made that.
Gonna hit you.
Wow. Dragon Ball Z power activated, bro. No, come here. I'll show you.
Does not hit me with a fan.
Always come back.
You a bitch.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude! Oh my god!
You good?
I am not okay! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm out of here!
When you step into my danger zone, when you're fucking up, 10 toes down. When you step into my danger zone, when you step into